The iGreen project was launched with the aim of proposing a new business model designed to optimize consumption and machinery purchase. The traditional gelato ice cream parlor requires batch freezers, pasteurizers, maturation tubs, chillers, freezers, display cabinets, and cooling towers. A classic outfit that requires a very sizable investment. Many thermodynamic systems use gas with high global warming potential, have high levels of electricity and water consumption for cooling, and require large and so costly premises. An investment that can only be justified by very high sales. So, when consumption and investment are more restricted, a new solution must be found for producing ice cream, including as part of a wider distribution organization. Let's find out how. The iGreen project, thanks to the development of the iGreen machines, offers an environmentally friendly and economical business opportunity designed for those who want to start a business aimed at the production of high-quality gelato and ice cream, or adding gelato production to an existing business. The basic concept is only producing gelato that can be sold on the same day, served directly from the machine that makes it. Thanks to the modularity of the Nemox iGreen machines, customized outfits can be created ad hoc, designed for specific businesses and the respective sales volumes, limiting waste and raising the quality of the product served to the end customer. To this end, the iGreen project offers machines with plug-and-play practical installation, compact, that can easily be placed anywhere and connected to a normal single-phase socket, offering functional advantages. Environmentally friendly machines that do not use greenhouse gases. Savings in terms of energy thanks to thermodynamic motors and systems with low electricity consumption. No water consumption thanks to air cooling. Low machine costs thanks to the development of simple, basic mechanics. Easy access to the machines to favor technical assistance. But why choose Nemox as a partner for a new concept of ice cream parlor? Because Nemox products, like iGreen Corner, offer specific advantages for professionals through technological innovations, such as the management software application installed on the machines that allows the ice cream to be kept in the processing basket by controlling both the thermodynamic system and the whisker, so that the ice cream is always ready to be served. For those who must deal with greater ice cream sales volumes, Nemox has also developed a display cabinet and tub holder, both part of the iGreen family that can be combined with the iGreen Corner machines. The iGreen machines can easily be placed in all types of settings. Here we see a design solution where a 5 kg/hour machine is fitted to a trolley. If greater quantities or more flavors are needed, a Posetti unit on wheels with a coordinated design can be added. An elegant solution that can also be placed in the dining hall of a restaurant. Nemox also offers 5 modules incorporating the machines, which can be combined to obtain personalized solutions tailored to the needs of the premises. The combination of these modules can meet all the needs of individual operators, as well as creating the basis for a franchising outlet, offering modular, expandable, economical, and customizable solutions. 2 modules contain 2 machines that enable ice cream to be produced, stored, and served directly from the source. The other 2 modules contain 2 storage systems. A corner cabinet completes the layout. Below, we illustrate some possible combinations at prices ranging from 10,000 to 30,000 euros. The first proposal combines a 10 kg/hour machine with a 4-flavor display cabinet for 13 liters. In less than 1 meter 60 centimeters, an ice cream point can be created where 100 people can be served an hour, offering 5 ice cream flavors. An even more compact solution allows 8 flavors of ice cream to be kept on a Pozzetti tub holder and another 2 to be kept in the machine. The hourly production rate is 10 kilograms an hour, making around 400 portions. The third proposal makes it possible to keep 4 ice cream flavors in the machine and another 8 in a tub holder. In this way, it is possible to have around 500 portions. In an area of only 4 square meters, 2 machines can be placed in a corner for production and service, in addition to the display cabinet and tub holders. With this solution, 600 portions in 15 flavors can be offered.